Welcome back to another day at Petrolwerks. Today we have a Audi SQ5. What the crazy part is about that car is that the catback exhaust fell off. It fell off. It actually snapped off, which is insane. Take a look at this. The car is getting fitted with a brand new ECS catback exhaust system. The pipes are literally brand new, brand spanking new. Like, look at how satisfying it looks. And then we got Ron over here. He's enjoying some Kanye music. What you up to?
Crankhub.
Crankhub?
Yes, sir. It's a little Crankhub job. Not a lot of these left. Surprise. Crankhubs. It was an issue used to plague these F80 M3s and S55 engines in general, but I think most cars out there have crankhubs now. Not sure why this one didn't. Very oily. Valve cover has been leaking for a long time. Yes, sir. No problem. Bro. Yeah.
I told the guy who gets us our sprays and all that.
Yeah.
Like, yo, our PB bus shot, dude. Every can does a spray. He's like, really? I never heard of that before.
But oh yeah, come to the shop. Let me show you.
So, okay, I'll bring another box. All right, make sure they spray that.
Always hardware. The last shop that did this, it was an old friend's shop. So the left side broke, and then so someone replaced the flex pipe. I think. Look, this one's replaced before. So all the hardware is like 10, 11, 12.
That's random.
Yeah, and then on this side it's all rounded out, and then I don't know why they just left it. So this one I had to cut it, and that one, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I cannot see it, but my 12 is skipping. So, yeah. And then the 11 doesn't want to go in. That's not cool though, because this one, if I try to fix it later, it's just gonna break.
It's plastic, right?
No, it's aluminum, but it's like aluminum cast. Those, when you try to weld them, they kind of just like fall apart. So they don't weld good. Whatever. Let's see what I could do.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I know everything broke. Look. Man, look.
He duct taped it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
No, just to get by here.
Okay, what are we doing?
All right, we're gonna take it down.
Okay.
We might have to do something funny because, actually no. All right. Okay, his bumper come off. All right, so I'm gonna drop my side first. Okay.
Today I am driving Mo's truck. Yo, this thing is a piece of shit. Like, genuinely. Not gonna lie, I don't ever discriminate against cars, because if it gets you from A to B, a car is a car. Mo is in the Lamborghini Urus in front of me. The customer's car is complete. There's no codes on the dash. Everything is passing inspection. All good to go. But can we take a minute and talk about this cracked windscreen in front of me? Like, can we actually take a minute and talk about it? The thing is, I'm not too sure if Mo has a thing for cracked windscreens, because this one is cracked. The one on the Supra is cracked. Like, what? Not gonna lie, after driving the Urus, any other car I get in, the brakes feel extremely weak. The Urus has some crazy huge rotors and calipers, bro. The stopping power on that car is insane. We're gonna drop off the Urus and then we have to go pick up an R8. We just dropped off the Urus in Dix Hills. Now we came to pick up the R8. We're gonna take this back to the shop and it needs some work done. So let's get into it. I'm driving the R8 back to the shop, and you know what the crazy part is? This used to be my dream car for the longest time. I used to dream of having this car. And it's my lucky day that I get to drive it. Where's the belt? It's my lucky day that I get to drive it back.